Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will show you today how to download Anydesk software. Let's begin with my orders. Let's follow my You should follow my instructions to download the software. Please don't skip the video because if you skip the video you can't understand how to download the software correctly. Okay, let's begin with the session. Okay. First, you should go to your browser which you have in your PC. I'll go to my Chrome browser or type Google. आप अपने Google go to your Google browser and type Anydesk software, Anydesk download. पर you click the first option, download Anydesk, and click download now. I will not download the software because I have already downloaded the software. You should download the software and set up and install the setup folder. Then after that you can get the Anydesk software. Thank you. Thank you one and all. आप इस सॉफ्टवेयर नेक्स्ट प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, शेयर, लाइक. थैंक यू.